Good evening. We are going to discuss a topic on COVID-19 role of IT innovation in healthcare. So the next slide. So before going to know the role of IT innovation in COVID-19 in healthcare sector, we are going to discuss something about COVID-19 first of all. So COVID-19 is an acronym for coronavirus disease, and it was first originated in Wuhan, which is in China, which is located in China, in 2019. And up to today, there are 3.32 crore cases that were got positive, and there occurred about 4.3 lakhs of deaths. And to challenge this COVID-19 and solve this issue, healthcare workers are working their best to give their to challenge this COVID-19 and let the people get free from that disease. And because of this COVID-19, different health services have been disrupted, and even so many financial and economic services also got disrupted and distracted from the correct path. So according to this, but when this COVID-19 started, from there, we have the shortage of healthcare workers, about 17.4 million people around the world. So this is a great challenge for the global, for all over the world. But the people who are, and the doctors and the nurses, all are taking the initiative about this. And Uday Kumar, who is an executive director of Innovations Healthcare, he teach up to 100 people, 100 healthcare workers. He worked as a mentor for 100 healthcare workers. And many innovators and business leaders came up with awesome innovations because to challenge this COVID-19 and to prevent this COVID-19. So there is a quote about this, that is, digital health connects and empowers people and population through digital tools, technologies, and services to transform care delivery. This is given by Hill's digital health framework. That is, through digital health, what is the digital health means? The IT apps, the IT innovated apps, which are helpful for preventing COVID-19 and for tracking COVID-19. These empower people about the COVID-19 precautions and preventions, so that every member of the world can get prevented from this COVID-19. Now the next part will be explained by Swapnil.
So, role of IT innovations in healthcare. First, I want to explain what is innovation mean. Innovation is a combination of invention, adaptation, and diffusion. The IT has played a crucial role in industry by giving awareness to people by digital platforms, and it helped healthcare in giving sorry it helped innovation has helped healthcare by giving apps and healthcare protocols through apps. And next slide. Here are some apps. Arogya Setu app. It is a contact tracing app. It is developed by National Informatics Center. It is an updated version of Corona Kavach app, which was developed, which was discontinued previously. So the app contains the features such as so this is a Maya app. Maya app is established in mid-March of 2020. It helped many users giving the information such as how to be aware of COVID-19, what medications to be taken. And according to the reports, it has been like 45,000 people were interacted with the chatbots in the Maya app. And it reached a broad audience by different languages such as Bangla, Arabic, and English. So the next slide will be explained by Sacharan.
Yeah, thank you, Swapnil. Thank you, Amulya. So coming to advantages of healthcare IT innovation. We can figure out symptoms in Arogya Setu app by not consulting any doctor and not consulting to the hospitals. Without any social contact, we can figure out the symptoms. So we can consult doctors by Docs app. It will be an online video call app. So, and different countries started using different apps like Arogya Setu, Maya, so and so. And giving a conclusion, people use many apps and got awareness like Arogya Setu app, Maya app, as we discussed in previous slides. And smartphones use it to access apps about COVID-19. So for this, after the COVID-19 situation, many people are buying smartphones and they are using apps, different type of apps like Arogya Setu and all. So even this COVID-19 situation, drones were used for carrying a samples of tests and samples, food materials and so on, and medicines also. Yes, it's a reference for our Setu app, Docs app, and my app. That's it. Thank you.